watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Hardin, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski, Saline, Union and Williamson, and Ballard, Kentucky. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 47 has been issued until midnight Friday for the following counties in Illinois: Alexander, Hardin, Johnson, Massac, Pope, Pulaski, Saline, Union and Williamson, and Ballard, Kentucky. Now for the official counties in Illinois: Massac and Pope, and the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard, Callaway, Carlisle, Crittenden, Fulton, Graves, Hickman, Livingston, Lamb, Marshall, McCracken and Trigg, and Mississippi, Missouri, and the following counties in Tennessee: Henry, Obion and Weakley. The current time is